The families of two young men who were killed instantly while speeding earlier this year have released this dramatic footage of the pair's final moments. 20-year-old Kyle Careford and his friend 21-year-old Michael Owen are seen here videoing their journey as they reach speeds of up to 90 miles per hour in the Sussex countryside.
Keep going. Keep going. Go on, touching. Go on.
The inquest heard how the two friends, both from Royal Tunbridge Wells but staying in Crowborough at the time, had taken a cocktail of illegal and prescribed drugs.
Keep going. Go on. Come down this hill, yeah. Come down this hill. What you saying, bruv? I'm saying sweet, man. I said, no, man. No, on the right, bro. Both sides of the road, he runs over. Go round it. Go round it. 4. Go on. Keep going. They love me. For both weeks I get money. That's still slow down a bit. Slow down. Slow down, bro. We're doing 90, bro. Slow down. Slow that, bro. Slow down. Right.
This video was found on Michael's phone, which was discovered under a tree at the crash scene the following morning. Both families have supported the release of the footage to act as a stark warning to others.
Hold on, come on. You don't have me coming.